I have rheumatoid arthritis, and I had pain in my hands, my back, my neck, my feet, my elbows, and when I leave OsteoStrong, I am pain-free.
I am fighting back against osteopenia by coming to OsteoStrong.
My osteoporosis has moved into osteopenia thanks to OsteoStrong.
OsteoStrong makes me feel stronger and more flexible, and it helps a lot with my balance. And it also makes me more aware of how important it is to work on my balance at home and my strength and my flexibility. It has helped me to make my osteopenia numbers better.
And the people here are amazing. Like, the attention that you get is incredible. They're kind, they're loving, I always leave here feeling energized, and they give you such personalized attention.
Getting older does not mean getting weaker.
Stay strong with OsteoStrong.